Yes, sir.
So we need to download for the first thing JMeter. So how to download the JMeter means I will explain for that also. So once we can open the right, you can click on Google, I think, and yesterday class everyone is fine, right? For as of now, what are the classes completed? Everyone practice
Yeah,
for that web service testing only. I saw
Yes,
only Lakshmi only sent for the she done for the web service testing, and I have sent to he done she done the test also. What happened? Everyone is done or not? No answer. Hello.
yes, sir. Negative.
tomorrow I will show.
Today what happened? So you need to open Google and after that enter for the JMeter download. Can just enter for the JMeter download. See, this is the JMeter download. You can click on that. Download Apache JMeter. So you want to download means click on the download Apache JMeter. And after that, you are able to see this is the current version of the JMeter, Apache JMeter 5.43. And this is required for the Java 8 plus. In your system, Java will be must need for the to work on JMeter means is a Java is need. So how you need to check the Java your system will be there not there means open for the command prompt and click on open and enter for the Java.
Okay.
See, like this you need to get. Otherwise, in your system, Java is not there. Java is not a recognized. You are get for the error. Otherwise, you want to see for the Java version means you need to write for the Java space version. See, this is Java runtime environment. Build will be 15.0.49. So 64-bit one. So like this, you need to check for the universe system if it is Java there, not there, and what is the version of the Java. Okay,
Okay.
fine, right? So must be you need for the Java install in our mission. Without Java, JMeter can't do for the JMeter. Okay, and after that, Apache JMeter, we have the binaries will be there and source will be there. So you need to select for the this is the in binaries. You need to select for the this second one. Just you can click on this and automatically it is downloaded. See, it is automatically downloading. You can go to the folder as the download folder. You are able to see the Apache JMeter one. See, it is downloading. See, this is the last time I downloaded Apache JMeter.
అన్న మీరు డాక్యుమెంట్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళారన్న డౌన్లోడ్స్ ఫోల్డర్
Okay. Correct. Okay, no problem. Means here also we have the Apache JMeter will be there. Last previous time, see this is the Apache JMeter. Last time, see I downloaded, but now you can go to the downloads and you are able to see the Apache JMeter. Where is Apache JMeter? See. See, this is the Apache JMeter 4.3. So you want to check for the version means you can go to here and what is this? This is the 5.43. See 5.43. So once you can open this one, right, you can cut it and keep in for a notepad or any folder you can keep. Otherwise, you are keeping for the local dismiss, you can copy and paste it here. This is not enough space. Then go to here and Control V. Copy it and paste in folder. Which folder you want, you can copy and paste it. See, after that, you need to extract this. So this is the zip file. You want to extract means you can click on right button and extract here, it will be there. You need to click on extract here. See, you extracted completed. This is the after extracted. Then you can open this one. And now you can go to the bin folder. And this is the Apache JMeter execute file. So you need to click on this, then your JMeter file will be open. In your system, Java will be there only, it will open. Otherwise, it will not open. See, this is the Apache JMeter. It is opening. So like this, it will open. How we are opening for the right vSAN, and but here we don't have vSAN controller. We have the only one. This is the Apache JMeter. So like this, you need to do for the prerequisites. So once you can download it, you need to extract and go to the bin folder in Apache JMeter. You go to the bin folder and click on for the Apache JMeter executor file. Then you can open this is the UI. And after that, you need to script will be recorded here. So before recording, you understand, right, how I done. So same thing you guys also do for same after download and after extract and open for the JMeter. And once open the JMeter, now we need to do for the scripting means. So we need to add for the some process. We have the test plan we need for the, see, this is the template. So automatically you want to add template means click on template, and here it is a bean cell sampler it is showing. So we are recording, right? You can select as a recording and click on, after selecting for the record, click on create. And after that you can remove this all. No need for this. Okay, then create. Click on create button. See, so everything will be came. So no need to add anything. So we are directly click on this templates, and after that select a record and click on create button. And after that, this is the HTTP request, and this is the HTTP cookies, and this is the thread group. Thread group nothing but controller for here. Thread group nothing but controller. See, now you can observe here number of threads means users. How many users you are executing? 10 users. And what is the ramp up you are giving? In 10 users, every user will be 5 seconds. Then what is the total ramp up? Every user will be 5 seconds. In 10 users, how much it will come? 50 seconds, right? And so like this, you need to design the scenario in thread group. Thread group nothing but it is a controller. And after that, you can observe for this is the view results tree. So you want view the results means you can use. Otherwise you want for the HTTP test script over there, that will be disabled will be there. You need to enable. And once you can enable, right, using this only we need to record this one. Which one? HTTP test script recorder. Using this we need to record the script. So how to we can record the script means, once we can check this, right? So for here we in load or these one, right, directly we are giving URL, but here we don't give for the any URL because this is the communication not happen for the browser to assign to the tool. So that is why we need to some prerequisites will be there. Before that, you need to do for the some prerequisites. So you can observe here. You need to. I'm starting just test. See here, once you can click on that start button, right? You can able to see root A certificate, Apache JMeter. Okay, see it is you need to record start means like this you need to open. But when you can click this, right? So you can stop. I'm stopping. So once you can click on start, right? It will automatically root CA certificate will be generated in that folder. So you can go to here and you can observe. Now, once you can execute only, it is a root CA certificate will be generated. Now you can observe it is came as a today date 4/29/2022 8:26. So just now only it is created. When it is created means once you can click on for the start button only, you are able to get the root CA certificate. After that, this root certificate we need to import in browser also. So which browser you are doing for the test? So for example, you are doing for the IE, Internet Explorer. So you can go to the IE and open the IE. And after that, these are will be prerequisites. Before recording, we need to do these all things. Then only you can able to record the script. Otherwise, you unable to record the script. See, and after open for the any browser, go to the settings. See, go to the settings, internet options, click on internet options. And after that, we need to see for the connections. We have the LAN setting is there, right? You can click on LAN setting. And here you need to give for the proxy. So you need to give for the proxy details. Go to the in advanced and you need to give for the set the proxy. See, this is the local host because we are executing local host. Host will be doublet will be there. Same host will be here also port number, same thing will be there. Maybe you are changing here 8080, then you need to change for here also 8080. Otherwise, it will not work. So because we are communicating for through port, so we need to record the script in JMeter means we need to communicate from the browser means we need to through port and we need to record the script. So that is why you can take for this triplet will be there, right? You want 8080 means you can give for the 8080 port and you need to edit this also 8080 and here also you can change it as a 8080 and after that just click on OK. And after that so you can click on and you need to change here also you can change, right? 8080 I given. So click on this and click on OK and click on OK. Now you can check you are able to change process settings or not. You can check. So you can go to the again internet options and go to the connections and click on LAN settings. And so it will be saved or not, you can check. So 8080 it is saved successfully. Okay, then it is fine. Then once you can set the proxy, right? If you want to open means which URL you need to open, that only it will open. Otherwise, that will not open through that application. So one more thing, and same to go to the internet options, we need to import for the root CA certificate also here in general, and can go to the content and certificates, and here personal will be there, right? You can import and click on next and go to the browse, and after that See, this will be there, where it will be there, this folder. So in documents will be there, but our folder will be, what is that? This, right? In that Apache JMeter, and go to the bin. And now you can select for the today updated one. Apache JMeter ready. What is this? 2021. So okay, I think this will be old one. 5.4.3, right? Ours. So you can click
Yes.
on this. And after that, go to the bin. And now you can select this one, this updated one. So every 15 days it will be expired. So you need to import every 15 days once. Otherwise, your script will be unable to record. So you can click on this and open. And after that, click on next. And after that, next. And next. See, the import was successfully completed. After that, click on OK. And click on close. And click on OK. So these are the prerequisites for the JMeter. So anyone can explain what are the prerequisites in JMeter? Hello? Yeah, everyone will be there.
Yes.
Banu?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are the prerequisites? Basha, Ismail, prerequisites we need to set for the port. One is one of the prerequisite, and same to the one more is we need to import for the root CS certificate. It's fine. So now after set this all things, you need to record.
And import the
Sorry.
CSSC file. We can insert the port number and also we can import the CSSC file.
Yes, yes, it's correct. So these are the prerequisites. Once prerequisites are completed, now you need to record the script. So using for the HTTP test script recorder only, we are recording, right? So you can select this one, and after that, you need to see this will be target controller. It is recording for the use recording controller. So using for the recording controller, it will able to recording the script. So means it will be everything will be script will be recording this flow. So now you need to start recording, means click on start. And after that, click on OK. And now you can go to the browser. Which browser we can go to? For example, we can go to the IE. Okay. And now you need to give for the transaction name. Launch URL underscore T01. Now you need to give for the URL of application. So which URL you are executing, you need to use that URL. Okay, 1 minute. We have any URL will be there. Anyone have that Zero account URL? Hello?
1 minute.
Anyone have any Zero account URL? Share me in chat window. I think where I keep time down. Enter scripts. Anyone have?
No, no.
WhatsApp. Okay, got it. Okay, no problem. HTTP and after that 0 dot web app security.com. This is right. So once we can enter the URL, right, click on this. So it is a launch is successfully completed. Now you need to do for the login, right? You can change for the transaction name as a login. I'm changing for the login transaction. We have the one, don't have start transaction and transaction. Only we have the one transaction only. You need to give for, I'm giving for the login. And after that, you can click on the sign in. Otherwise, we can take this later and click on sign in button, right? Click on sign in button.
Right. Once click the browser, automatically recorded.
Yes, automatically it will record it. So click on sign in button. Then you can enter for the sign in button. And after that, we need to enter for the login 03 and enter for the name. Username, right? And after that, click on sign in. So you can go to here and everything will be recorded in the recording control. You can open this, see you are able to see the launch URL and click on sign in, login. Able to see?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now you can go to here. Some security error we got. Okay, water, no problem. Close the tab. Okay, so I'm stopping the recording. Up to now I recorded. Okay, because of application issue we are unable to record at that one. Okay, so once we can recording is completed, right, you can come to the recording and the recording controller. These are the transactions. Launch, click on sign in, and after that we are login. So now you can open this request one by one. Click on this. You can observe this is your actual what will happen means in JMeter you will get for some junk data also. That is why you need to check for the this URL, our URL or not, you need to check 0websecurity.com. This is our URL. So then it is fine. And after that you can click on this, and after that click on this, and you can see 0 web security. This is also ours. And after that we are enter for the login, right? So you can see we are enter for the username and password, and this is the user token. It is came house section ID. It is came, and as simple we are able to see the this is the dynamic value section value. And after that you need to check this. This is the web security. This is also user token. So like this we need to record the script. Got it, everyone? So generate as a parent sample, you need to click on for the each transaction as a generate as a sample, and click on this generate as a sample. Parent means this is the parent one, in this is the child one. So once you need to complete this, right? Now we need to do for the script enhancements. Script enhancements, what things we need to do? Parameterization and correlation. So how do we need to do parameterization, right? So you need to check for the each and every request. In this request, we don't have any name and values. So after that second request, you come to second request, you can observe here also we don't have any values, and you can come to here, you are able to see the username and password. So these values we are entered through keyword or through application we get?
Through keyword.
Through keyword. So what we can do?
Parameter.
Parameterization. Then you need to click on this, and so you can do for the parameterization means what we need to do means we need to add for the parameter name file. How do you can add means click on the same where you need to add, right? You can click on here and add. You can go to the preprocessor will be there. Preprocessor nothing but you need to entering for the test data point of view or parameter point of view, we need to go to the preprocessor. How we are going for the create user parameter, right? Same thing here also, you can go to the add. In the add, you need to select for the preprocessor. In that, you need to add for the username parameter. Everyone able to see? Click on this. See, now you need to, this is the username parameter. Then you need to add the values here. So click on add value. And you need to give for the like user name underscore forum. Okay. And you need to give for the, what is the value of this username, right? Username. You can give for that. And after that, we have the one more will be there. What is that? Password also we need to do for the parameterization. Again, you need to add one more variable and click on add value and enter for the password param. Just I'm entering password param. And after that, username is password also same. So that is why given as a username. So now after that, we need to replace this value in the username place. We need to replace this, and password place, we need to replace this. So now you can copy this and Control C. Then you can go to the here, and you need to see here. You can give it as a close it. How we need to give means here will be different dollar symbol, and after that open curly brace, and you can need to give for the variable name, close the curly brace. Okay, same you need to replace here also. Dollar symbol, and after that this, and you need to give for the, go to here and copy and paste it. Why you can confuse, right? You can come to here and variable name you can copy and come to here, replace point of view, and you need to add it as a variable name and close the curly brace. So like this we need to do for the parameterization for here. We don't have any settings like SQL, this type of, we don't have anything, but we need to do for the parameterization. Means using for the user parameter we need to do. How we need to do means you can click on add and enter for the assertion, sorry, preprocessor. In the preprocessor, you can click on the user parameter. Got it right? So now
Compulsory
we
mention
can,
underscore param.
yeah, sorry.
Compulsory mention.
No, that's just I am giving for a, okay, I done for the parameterization. That is purpose I given this some difference.
But it replace it mention dollar open.
Yeah, that will be definitely you need to mention dollar and open curly brace, and after that parameter name, and after that you need to close that.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we need to execute. Before executing, you want save means without save it will not execute. See, this is the execute button. You should want to test plan before running it. You are using the support data file. So you need to save the test plan. You can click on save, and you need to give for the zero bank. It will be saved as a .jmx. What is the extension of web script in JMeter means JMX. What is that? JMX.
Okay.
So after that you can save where you want, you need to save. Example, I'm saving as a desktop. Just click on desktop and click on save. So it is saved. Then you can observe it is executing the script. You can go to the view results tree. It is executed. See, execution it is doing. So see, we are given for the in thread group how many times it is given, 10 times. So it will execute for the test in 10 times. So initially we are doing for the like in script announcements for, right? No need for do execute with the multiple users. Just is one user is enough. After that you need to execute with the number of users. Okay. So you can save it. This is the save button. Just click on save it. This test is completed or not? See, still test is going. Yeah, it is completed. See, it is completed now. You want to clear this test and you need to execute one more time means here will be clear will be there. Don't click on this. This will clear means everything will be clear. So you need to click on only this clear. Click on clear. This results will be clear. Now again you need to save it and execute. This time is the only one time will be execute. Launch, sign in, login. So its the execution is completed. Now you need to observe you are getting any error or not, and same to you pass the variable name, right? It is passing correct or not. You need to observe in response data. This will be request data. This will be response data. Now you can observe user user login, user password, and submit. So you want to see the particular variable name is passed or not, means we need to add for the one more sampler that will be in the go to the add and sampler. We have the debug sampler will be there. What is that? Debug sampler. Go to the add and sampler and debug sampler. You can add that one and again go to the results tree and you can remove this. Clear. And now again you can save it and execute. See, now you can click on here, JMeter variable, anything will be there, it will show here. Now you can observe, see, password param is equal to username and the username param is equal to username. Correct, right? So means your application is it is picking for the username is username and password also it is picking. So once you done the parameterization, you are able to login or not means you need to check like this. You can come to the debug sampler and you need to observe for the okay password param. It is in this replace point of it is correct original value it is coming or not. You need to check here. Got it, right? Once you done for the correlation also, you want to see the value means you can come to the debug sampler only. You need to observe for the value. So like this we need to do for the parameterization. And after that you want to do for the correlation also will be there. You need to check one by one. See, this value will be, what is this value? User token, some dynamic value. You can copy this dynamic value, go to the view results tree and you can come in search, you can control V and then click on search. So it is showing here means you need to write the function here. Okay, you need to write the function here. So what you need to do, you can search for this value. Each and every request you need to search. As a response, you need to search for the response because of we need to find the boundaries of dynamic value. So you can click on this and here the dynamic value will be there, not there, you can search, click on find. So it will be not there. You can come to the next request and enter for the again this value and click on this. It will be not there and come to here and can click on this and control V and find it. Here also not there. You can come to here and enter this again, click on find next. Otherwise you can search as a token. See, you are able to see, right, user token. So this is the value. So now you need to take this value and we need to do for the take for the boundaries. How we are done for right in same thing. You need to copy this entire text and after that go to the notepad, open and paste it. And after that, now we need to write for the where we need to write the function. So it is showing for here, right? You need to write for the function here in the login part. You need to write for the function and you need to go to the here and after this above request you need to write the function. Like you need to write for the and click on sign in page. You need to write for the function. So function nothing but we don't have any web break save param. Just you can click on here and add. we have the post processor will be there. How is the pre-processor will be parameterization point of view, post processor will be correlation point of view. So we have the different type of post processor will be there, boundary extractor and regular expression extractor. So you are doing for the now boundary, right? You can select as a boundary. And after that, you need to give for the name token underscore COR. And after that, you need to give for the boundaries. So this is the left boundary and you can pass it. And this is the right boundary, right? You can take it as a right boundary and pass it. And here default value, maybe this value is not available. What error you need to get? Not